Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, the dark clouds are gathering and the vultures are circling for Mr. Iberiberizim, who thought that he could help himself to the commonwealth of the good people of Imo State and just walk away. So apparently not. So with that guys, I bring you this: EFCC to prosecute Okorocha wife others for alleged corrupt enrichment. So that's the headline: EFCC to prosecute Okorocha wife others for alleged corrupt enrichment. So now let's get into exactly what's been said. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC has said that immediate past governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, together with his wife, daughter and an aide, would soon be prosecuted for corrupt enrichment. EFCC said it had established prima facie cases against the suspects, which they would answer to soon. The head Enugu Zonal Office of the Commission, Mr. Usman Imam, disclosed this yesterday in Enugu whilst briefing newsmen on the activities of the commission in the last 8 months. He stated that the commission had already obtained orders for the interim forfeiture of assets traced to the former governor and his wife. Imam said the commission also obtained a similar order on the property traced to Okorocha's daughter as well as his former aide, Pascal Obi. The commission said it was interested in Rocha's foundation and other property converted by individuals for personal use in Imo. According to Imam, a 16-block com 96 flats, a multi-million naira 8 bungalow estate, hotel, 2 schools, shopping plaza, supermarket, hospital, and 4 vehicles are on the commission's spotlight. He added that whilst the hospital was traced to Obi, the remaining ones were traced to Okorocha and his family. In another vein, a federal high court in Lagos yesterday remanded 3 bureau de change operators, Jimmy Ibrahim, and then another guy, I'm not going to attempt his first name, but the last name is Umejesi, and another one, I'm not going to attempt his last name, but the first name is Uche, who was accused of defrauding a firm of 437 million naira. I'm not really going to get into the narratives of these bureau de change operators because this is not really what the story is about. This looks like the other half of the account that this Imam, whatever his name is, the EFCC guy, again another Hausa man, Fulani man, in charge of police operations in the southeastern part of Nigeria. But really, that's not really the narrative as well. So the real focus is on this Rochas Okorocha situation, because you will recall that Governor Emeka Ehidioha said that this guy stole so much from Imo State that it would almost be impossible not to go after him, because he just stole everything that he could steal. There was nothing that was available for stealing that Rochas Okorocha did not steal in Imo State. So it looks as though the EFCC are now weighing in, and this is just one of the few items that they've been able to recover from him, or at least they have identified as possibly suspect. So a 16-block com 96 flat, so that's already a mini city right there. A multi-million naira 8 bungalow estate, so that's another mini city right there. A hotel, 2 schools, shopping plaza, supermarket, hospital. I mean, so when I'm saying that this Rochas Okorocha just completely looted the whole of Imo State for 8 years, you guys can now see now, as the evidence are now starting to come out, that this is indeed exactly what's happened, because I cannot see that anybody with any conscience would do the level of looting that this guy did. So you then see why then the EFCC found it almost impossible not to go after him, and why Emeka Ehidioha also said that it will be gross irresponsibility on his part, almost an unforgivable thing for him not to go after Rochas, because the level of looting that that guy did in Imo State was to a different level from anything that ever been seen before in Nigeria at state level. Of course, leaving Lagos State aside, of course, because you know Lagos State is a special case, but the level of looting is not one that Imo State could have sustained. So it needed to go after him, and the EFCC are now joining him in that pursuit. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. So MC Iberiberizim, is he about to meet his Waterloo? What do you think? Come tell me what you think about Rochas and the goings on in Imo State in the comment section. But before you come tell me what you think about Rochas and the goings on in Imo State in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what your thoughts are about this story that I've just brought you. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.